Stretching across the stormy Strait of Messina, Italy plans a bridge so colossal it could replace ferries forever, but the challenges beneath the waves are more dangerous than anyone imagined. The Strait of Messina, a narrow slice of turbulent water that separates Sicily from mainland Italy. For centuries, ferries have carried people, cars, and cargo back and forth, battling fierce currents and sudden storms. But Italy has a vision, a bridge unlike any other. Imagine a 3.7-kilometer span, soaring above the restless waves, connecting two lands that have long been divided. Not just a bridge, but a monument to ambition. Engineers dream of towers taller than cathedrals, cables stronger than steel, foundations anchored deep into the seafloor. Every detail, every calculation, every bolt carries the weight of history. This isn't just infrastructure, it's a statement. A bridge that promises speed, safety, and a future where ferries may no longer be needed. But building a bridge here won't just be difficult, it could rewrite the limits of engineering itself. Every day, thousands of vehicles and passengers rely on ferries to cross the Strait of Messina. But the journey is slow, sometimes hours lost to delays. Storms, rough seas, and mechanical failures disrupt schedules. Costs pile up, not just for travelers, but for businesses and trade that rely on this lifeline. For Sicily, the ferry is more than transportation, it's survival. The island's economy depends on it, communities depend on it. And for Italy, the bridge represents more than convenience. It's a chance to unify regions, stimulate commerce, and strengthen national infrastructure. Politicians hail it as a symbol of progress, engineers see it as a test of skill, and citizens dream of seamless travel. Yet, every promise comes with a shadow. Yet, despite the promise, critics warn this bridge could become one of the riskiest projects in Europe. Beneath the sparkling surface of the Strait of Messina lies a force of nature few fully understand. Powerful currents twist and turn, shifting unpredictably, challenging ferries and fishermen alike. The seabed plunges into deep, unstable trenches, while the region itself sits along one of Europe's most active seismic zones. Earthquakes have shaped this landscape for millennia, and they will not stop for a bridge. Every engineering decision here carries a weight most bridges never face. Foundations must sink into shifting sands. Pylons must withstand winds and waves that could topple lesser structures. Even the water temperature and salinity can affect steel and concrete over decades. What engineers discovered beneath the waves would shock the world. Designers are pushing technology to its limits, trying to tame this natural chaos. If the currents and earthquakes don't stop it, something even more unpredictable might. At 3.7 kilometers, the Strait of Messina Bridge isn't just long, it's monumental. Its main span will stretch farther than most suspension bridges in Europe, a feat that tests both engineering and imagination. Towering pylons, taller than cathedrals, will rise from the seabed, piercing the sky. And the cable system, thousands of tons of steel woven together, will hold the entire structure in a delicate balance against wind, waves, and earthquakes. To put it in perspective, the length alone could connect two major cities, the pylons could dwarf famous landmarks, and the steel used is enough to build small ships, dozens of them. Every meter of this bridge screams ambition, and the materials alone could sink a small island. This isn't just a bridge, it's a masterpiece of human ingenuity. The suspension design alone pushes physics to its limits, with cables stretching thousands of meters, engineered to flex, bend, and absorb the forces of wind and seismic shocks. Foundations must anchor into shifting, quake-prone seabeds, a task that has stumped engineers for centuries. Wind-resistant cables, shock-absorbing pylons, and smart monitoring systems will all work together to ensure the bridge stands tall, even when nature tries to tear it down. Every component is a marvel, a balance of strength and precision that leaves most experts in awe. Yet, genius alone may not be enough. The Strait of Messina throws curveballs that no textbook can fully prepare for, currents that twist unpredictably, winds that howl like storms from another world, and tremors that shake the earth beneath. But even the brightest minds face a problem that could ground the entire project. The Strait of Messina Bridge isn't just a feat of engineering, it's a battlefield of politics. Governments clash over budgets, delaying decisions for years. Environmentalists warn of irreversible damage to fragile marine ecosystems. Regional leaders debate priorities, each faction demanding control, each vote a potential roadblock. Every announcement ignites protests or celebrations. The dream of a bridge uniting Sicily with the mainland is constantly weighed against political agendas and public opinion. Funding promises can vanish overnight, replaced by scrutiny and lawsuits. And just when it seemed unstoppable, a scandal erupted that could halt construction entirely. The fight isn't just over steel and concrete, it's over the future of Sicily itself. The Strait of Messina bridge comes with a price tag that can make governments pause, an estimated 6 to 8 billion euros. Every euro carries weight. Funding must be split between public coffers, private investors, and international loans. The Strait of Messina bridge isn't just an Italian project, it's a statement to the world. Spanning 3.7 kilometers, it would rival the most iconic megabridges on the planet, standing shoulder to shoulder with feats like the Akashi Kaikyo in Japan or the Golden Gate in San Francisco. Beyond engineering, its impact stretches to trade, tourism, and global reputation. Faster transport links could transform Sicily's economy, attracting businesses, travelers, and investment. Italy would showcase not just technical prowess, but ambition, vision, and innovation on a global stage. But the world isn't just watching. It's betting on whether this dream can survive reality. Because one failed test could humiliate Italy on a global stage. The Strait of Messina bridge is more than steel and concrete. It is a vision of the future. Imagine high-speed trains racing across its span, cutting travel times from hours to minutes. Picture smart sensors and AI systems monitoring every cable, every pylon, adjusting in real time to weather and stress. Climate-resilient design could make it a blueprint for bridges worldwide, redefining what is possible in infrastructure. This bridge could become a symbol, a monument to human ingenuity and bold ambition. It isn't just about connecting lands, it's about connecting ideas, technology, and generations. But turning vision into reality is a gamble no one can predict. Across the globe, engineers have faced challenges like these, and sometimes failed spectacularly. The Akashi Kaikyo Bridge in Japan, a record-breaking suspension span, overcame earthquakes and typhoons through meticulous planning. The Golden Gate in San Francisco defied wind and corrosion for decades, becoming a symbol of resilience and innovation. Every megabridge tells a story of ambition, risk, and ingenuity. Some succeeded, some struggled, but all left lessons etched in steel and concrete. Italy's engineers study these feats closely, adapting techniques, avoiding mistakes, and pushing boundaries further. Yet the Strait of Messina presents problems no bridge has ever faced: shifting currents, deep trenches, and a seismic history that could turn plans upside down overnight. Could Italy beat the odds, or will history repeat itself? The Strait of Messina bridge stands at the edge of possibility, a structure that could replace ferries, slash travel times, and unite regions long divided by water. It embodies ambition on a monumental scale: towers that pierce the sky, cables that stretch beyond imagination, and engineering solutions that defy conventional limits. Its story is more than steel and concrete. It is politics and controversy, human courage and ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of a dream that could redefine an entire nation. Economies could thrive, trade could flourish, and Sicily's connection to the mainland could finally be seamless. Yet the challenges remain immense. Nature tests every calculation, budgets strain every decision, and the eyes of the world watch with equal parts hope and skepticism. The future of Sicily hangs in the balance, and every day brings a question that lingers over this ambitious project. The question remains: will this megaproject rise triumphantly, or sink into legend as a bridge that never was?